Preeti Jangiani, then and now age 44 years. Uday Chopra, then and now age 51 years. Aishwarya Rai, then and now age 51 years. Jugal Hansraj, then and now age 52 years. Sandali Sena, then and now age 52 years. Anubhav Sinha, then and now age 59 years. Kim Sharma, then and now age 44 years. Saurabh Shukla, then and now age 61 years. Tabbo, then and now age 53 years. Mohan Joshi, then and now age 79 years. Shamita Shetty, then and now age 45 years. Priyanshu Chatterjee, then and now age 51 years. Anjana Mumtaz, then and now age 83 years. Johnny Lever, then and now age 67 years. Archana Paran Singh, age 62 years, then and now. Varjesh Hirji, then and now age 53 years. Navneet Nisha, then and now age 59 years. Rajesh Khera, then and now age 56 years. Helen, then and now age 86 years. Adi Irani, then and now age 69 years. Saira Bano, then and now age 80 years. Akshay Khanna, then and now age 49 years. Aruna Irani, then and now age 78 years. Rajinder Gupta, then and now age 77 years. Priya Birde, then and now age 57 years. Alok Nath, then and now age 68 years. Anupam Kher, then and now age 69 years. Shabana, then and now age 54 years. Anang Desai, then and now age 71 years. Radhika, then and now age 62 years. Anil Tavan, then and now age 74 years. Zinat Aman, then and now age 73 years. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, comment and follow me. Thanks a lot.